Hello and welcome to Garden Tour Saturday. This is hosted every Saturday by Grandma Sandy. Okay, I'm going to take you out by my garden bridge area and we're going to say hi to Mr. Gnome. And I have my grasses growing along with my yellow mums. Aren't they pretty? Now I'm going to be adding some pumpkin stakes in here to just add a little bit of fall. So stay tuned for that. So once I add the garden pumpkin stakes, I'm going to take you over to my fairy garden and show you again how the elephant ears they have amazed me how big they are. No kidding, I would say they are 4 feet in diameter. Oh, and we want to say hi to Mrs. Gnome right there. Okay, here are my pumpkin stakes. Now the ones I have in front of the garden are just a single pumpkin, but I have a double pumpkin that I'm going to be adding to the garden as well. But I think that just added a little touch of fall, which is just what this garden bridge area needed. And last year I had planted these mums. So the yellow mum is right here on this side of the bridge, and the purple mum is on the other side, and it had already bloomed. But I think they turned out really pretty considering it's their second year coming up. I don't know about you all, but I am so ready for fall. So I was very anxious to get these pumpkin stakes out so I could put them in the garden. But doesn't it look nice? I don't get out to this area of my garden very often. It needs very little work or tending to. But my cats love to come out here, especially when I'm out here. They follow me. And you'll be seeing Toby here in a second. Okay, now I'm placing the double pumpkin stake into the ground here. And I'm going to walk around and give you a look at how it all comes together. Okay, and here is my cat, Toby. Hi there, Toby. He is surely loved, and he's such a good boy. Okay, the next stop will be my fairy garden where I will show you the huge elephant ears. Just look at those. And there's another leaf about to open. So you can see how big it is next to my hand there. So I want to take you up underneath it and you can see, look at that, there's another leaf about to open. It is very fast growing. I had never grown elephant ears before, and it amazed me how fast they grew. And I've already been able to save 2 babies from this one plant. I have one in a pot, and the other one I have put in the ground at the other end of this garden area. I do showcase this during my Fairy Garden Thursday collaboration. If you haven't checked out that, I encourage you to do so. But here's the other elephant ear. Okay, I want to thank Grandma Sandy for being the host of this collaboration. And it is free to join if you want to share your gardens. Just hashtag Garden Tour Saturday and let Grandma Sandy know. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.